Hello artists, managers and record labels, my name's Brees, CEO and founder at Unhurd. In my previous video I took you through all the functions and the features of the app really quickly to give you an introduction to the product. Now I'm just going to labour on the dashboard and show you what the dashboard does and how to use the information we provide to run a data-driven marketing campaign. Across the top you can see a quick snapshot of all of the key metrics across your different platforms. So Spotify followers, Spotify listeners, Instagram followers. We go all the way through to TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Underneath the snapshot, you get a to-do list. That to-do list is bespoke for you as an artist, and we have two types of recommendations here. The first type of recommendations we call dynamic recommendations, and these are based on your data. So, for example, if you want to pitch to your most powerful Spotify playlists, our algorithms identify the perfect playlists for your releases that you can then pitch to. So I select my release, I go in and I can then pitch directly to the most powerful playlists. Then what I have are static to-dos or recommendations. Now, this is a checklist to ensure that you're ready to release your music properly and you have everything in place to do so. So for example, have you pitched your release directly to Spotify through Spotify for Artists? It's a must. Have you got a Spotify banner? And what you do is you click on these static recommendations and you can learn more. So do you have a Spotify banner? What are the guidelines I need to adhere to in order to have the best Spotify banner possible? Then I can mark that as done in the top right hand corner, and that then disappears from my list. Now, if I go to view all here, then I can view a more extensive list of both dynamic recommendations, things like growing my TikTok profile, growing my Instagram followers, and I can do that by running a data-driven social media ad, all the way down to things like, do I need a recording studio? And where can I find that studio? So for example, I'm looking for a recording studio, I click here, I want to learn more, and you're directed through to MusicWise, which is one of our partners, and you can then search for a recording studio near to you. Other static recommendations are pitching directly to So Far Sounds, who are a partner of ours, and also making sure that your track is mixed and mastered properly through engineers. So I'm just going to click here, and you can see that we've partnered with engineers, and you can then reach out to some of the best engineers in the world. If I just scroll back to the top, you'll see an open and a done to-do list. Open are recommendations that I still need to action. Done is a list of the recommendations that you've gone through and you've marked as done. So that's a quick introduction to the dashboard. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch and enjoy using the app. Thank you very much.